Okay, girls, yesterday we talked about how to multiply decimal with a whole number. And today we will continue our lesson. Please, if you can hear me clearly, I want you to type 1 in the chat, please. Thank you, girls. Thank you so much. Thank you. So yesterday we talked about how to multiply decimals with whole numbers. So I think we solved page 245 and 246, the whole page, right? The whole pages. And today we will solve page 247. So please bring your books and open page 247, please. I think now we solved number 4 or any exercise on this page. Please, I want someone of you tell me. We solved this one, number 4, and number 5. We solved number 5 or not? Okay, so yesterday we solved only number 4, so today we will continue and solve number 5. I want to tell you something before we will start with you, and I will choose someone to help me. Yesterday I forgot to tell you something about how to estimate the product. How to estimate the product. So yesterday we talked about how to multiply numbers without mentioned anything about how to estimate the product. So also the product, I can find the estimate for the answer. How I will do that? Of course, by rounding the number, the decimal number. So if I want to round the decimal number into the nearest whole, so like number 5, if I want to round this number into the nearest whole, so this is the ones digit. Before the ones, I have 5. 5 is equal 5. I told you if the number before the ones equal or greater than 5, that means I have to add 1 to the ones, so it will be 5. And the digits before it will be 0. So 4.5 tenths will be 5. Okay? Now I will multiply 8 with 5. Okay? So 8 multiply 5 equals what? 8 multiply 5 equals 40. So the estimate will be 40. So the final answer, it will be close to or near to this estimate. Okay? Okay. Okay, could you please ask me? You want me to open the mic for you to ask, or you can type it on the chat, girls? Type it on the chat, please. Okay. Just 1 minute. Who said Lama Muhammad? Okay, just 1 minute. Lama. Okay, Lama, what's your question? Open your mic. What's your question, dear? Okay, thank you, dear. We did number 5, thank you. Okay, so I think any question, girls? Any question before we start? Okay, Celine, just 1 minute. Okay, Celine, open your mic and tell me your question, please. Celine? Yes, Celine.
I solved one of them.
Okay, you have a question, Celine?
Yes.
What's your question?
Teacher, yesterday I don't solve 4. I don't complete it.
Okay, thank you, my dear. Now I will choose someone of you to help me to solve. Girls, please, thank you, Celine. Today you will help me to find the answer. So girls, please, when I ask you to participate, raise your hands, okay? This is the first thing. Second thing, when I ask you to ask me, you have to ask me about the lesson, okay? Because all of you will share with me, Celine, okay, dear? So let's start now. So this is what I want to tell you about the estimate. So this is the estimate, girls. Yesterday we didn't talk about this. So as Lama said, we did number 5, so we will do number 6. I will estimate number 6, then I will find the product. So I will estimate the product. Of course, the estimate means I have to round the decimal number. Let's choose a girl now to help me. Please raise your hands, girls. Yes, Celine. Open your mic and help me to find the estimate.
Okay.
4.7. It will be what?
4.7. 5.
5?
7.
7 where?
40.
It will be 40?
4. 4. Yes.
4,
4.
4 or 40?
40.
Okay, again, please. This is the ones digit, Celine. Before the ones, what I have?
Teacher, I can't hear you. Your sound.
Okay, girls, if you can't hear me, please, if you can hear me, please type 1 in the chat to check my voice. Okay, I think just you can't hear me, Celine. Okay, dear. Now, okay, thank you, Celine. So I will estimate the product here. 40.7. Thank you, girls. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So 40.7 tenth. I want to round to the nearest whole. So it will be what? This is the ones digit. Before the ones digit, I have 7. 7 is greater than 5. So I have to add 1 to the 1, so it will be 41. And then I will multiply this number with 5. Okay, 41 multiply 5. Now, how I will multiply? Girls, please, if you have a question, write your question directly, okay? Directly on the chat. If you can't, please tell me, open the mic. I have a question. 5 multiply 1 equals 5. 5 multiply 4 equals 20. So the number or the estimate is 205. This is the estimate. Now, what about the exact answer? Yes, Larissa, ask me. What's your question?
How do you know when to estimate it on the 10 or the 1?
Okay, here I want to estimate into the nearest whole. The nearest whole, that's mean I want to erase the decimal part. So that's mean all the time I will estimate to the ones digit. In all decimal numbers. In all, from the first day when we talked about decimal. When I want to estimate, always I will estimate to the nearest ones. Because I want to make this number a whole number. Okay? Yes, Larissa, please, could you please help me to multiply 40.7 with 5?
With pleasure. 7 times 5 is 35. We regroup the 3.
We will put what? 5 here and
Here and the decimal point.
3 above the 1, above the 0. Now, 5 multiply 0.
0.
Plus 3.
3.
Very good. Now, 5 multiply 4.
Equals 20. We put the 20.
Very good. What about the decimal point?
It's before the 5.
Very good. So the number here, I have only one digit after the point, so I will move the decimal point only one digit, so the number becomes 203 or 203 and 5/10. Thank you so much, Larissa. Okay, so you finish, girls, this. Stop typing on the chat, girls. When we finish, you will ask me. If you have a question, type it on the chat. If you finish, please writing this answer, type 1 on the chat. Okay, thank you, girls. So we will move to exercise number 7. Okay, now I will do exercise number 7. I will leave this one for you and erase just this side. Let's here multiply 4.93 hundredths multiply with 7. Let's choose now a girl to help me to find the multiplication for this. Of course, here he didn't mention that please find the estimate. So if there is no any question about the estimate, you don't have to here to find the estimate. Let's choose Yasreem. Open your mic and help me to multiply number 7. Yes, 7 multiply 3.
7 multiply 3 equal
7 multiply 3.
21.
Very good. So I will put 1 here and 2 above the 9.
9.
7 multiply 9.
Equals 63.
Very good. Plus 2.
Plus 2 equals 65.
Very good. So I will put 5 here and 6 above the 4 or the 1's digit. Now 7 multiply 4
equal 28.
Equals 28 plus 6 30.
34.
Okay, 34. So I will put 3 here and 4, sorry. Where I have to put the decimal point, Reem?
Put it, it will be 345.1.
Again.
345.1.
Look, the decimal point here, I have 2 digits after the decimal point. Okay? You have.
So it will be 3.451.
Again. Reem, focus. You have 2 digits after the point. That means the decimal point always will be right here. I have to move the decimal point only 2 digits. So it will be where between 4 and
4.51.
Okay, thank you so much. That's correct. So it will be between 4 and 5. That means the number will be 34.51 hundredths. Okay, now number 8. Number 8, let's choose. Yes, Noor, open your mic. Noor, open your mic.
Teacher?
Yes, dear. Now I want to multiply 8.2 with 6.
Now 6 multiplied by 2 equals 12.
6 multiply 2, very good, equals 12. So I will put 2 here and 1 above
one above the 8.
Very good. 6 multiply 8 equals what? 6 multiply 8.
48.
48 plus 1. Plus 1.
Equals 49.
49. Very good. What about the decimal point here, Noor?
The answer will be, it will be after the 9.
After the 9. Very good. So it will be between 9 and 2. The number will be 49.2 2/10. Okay? Thank you so much, Noor.
Okay.
Okay. Where's your name? Okay. Thank you so much, Noor. So this is how I will multiply this number 8. What about number 9? Yes, Lana.
Teacher,
Yes.
the screen go to come.
Again.
The screen go and come.
Go and come. The screen with me is good. So I think maybe you have a problem with your internet, or maybe girls, please, I want you to tell me on the chat, all of you, the screen is good, the voice is good or not. Please type 1 if you can see the screen and hear me good. Okay, Lana, can you see this number 9 to help me to solve it? Number 9, Lana?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's start with you. 8 multiply 5. 8 multiply 5.
8 multiply 5 equals 40.
Very good. So I will have to put 0 here and 4 above the 10th, which is here 5 also. 8 multiply 5 also.
40. And plus 4 equals 44.
Very good. Equals 44. So also I have to put 4 here and 4 above the ones. Now 8 multiply 7.
Multiply 7 equals 56. Plus 4, 50.
Equal.
60.
Very good. Very good, Lana. What about the decimal point? Where I have to put it?
60.400.
60.40 hundredths. Excellent, Lana. So it will be between 0 and 4 here, right here, after 2 digits. Thank you so much, Lana. So, girls, here I have 2 digits after the point. That's mean I have to move the decimal point 2 digit, and it will be 60.4 yeah, or that's mean you can write it 60.4 or 60.40 hundredths, the same. Okay, girls, you finish this page, those exercises. If you finish, please type 1 in the chat. Okay. Okay, so now let's move to number 7. Okay. Okay, girls, actually we always, I will leave this side for you. Actually, always we used the regrouping to multiply, or the place value to multiply the numbers. But what about the distributive property? I want someone of you to help me to solve this exercise by using distributive property. So if one of you please help me, raise your hand with distributive property. Let's see, Emma. Emma, could you please open your mic and help me to multiply 8 with 7.2 with distributive property?
Okay.
Could you help me, please? What I have to do here? I have to break 7.2
to 7.
Yes, it will be what? Look, according to the distributive property, we talked about how to multiply this whole number 8 and break the decimal number into 2 numbers. The first one is a whole, the second one is a decimal, right? So it will be 7
plus 2.
again.
0.2.
Excellent, Emma, that's correct. 0.2. So I have to break this number into 2 numbers. The first one is the whole, the second one is the decimal number. Okay, girls, stop typing on the chat. Okay, focus with me, please. Stop typing on the chat. So now let's continue, Emma, with you. Now, what about the distributive property? What I have to do after that? I have to multiply Very good. And
then 8 multiply 0.2.
very good. So first thing, I will multiply 8 with 7. Okay? Now, and put it between parentheses. After that, plus, I will multiply 8 with what? With
0.2.
very good, 0.2. Now, let's multiply 8 with 7. This is the first thing. Yes, Emma.
8 multiply 7 equals 56.
Equals 56. Very good. 56. This is the answer for the first parenthesis. Plus 8 multiply 0.2.
Plus 1.6.
Excellent. So 8 multiply 2 equals what? Equals 16, right? And I have to put the decimal point after one digit. So I have to move the decimal point one digit. So it will be right here between 1 and 6. So the number will be what? 1.6. Yes, continue, Emma, please, to give me the final answer.
56
plus 1.
1.6
Okay.
equal 57.6.
Very good, Emma. You can order the numbers as we learned, like this, 56, and the 1 will be under the ones. The point will be here. There is no point here, so I will put the point and it will be 0 after the point. Then I will add the numbers. Let's start. 0 plus 6 equals 6.
6.
The decimal point will be here. 6 plus 1 equals 7.
7.
Yes, and the 5. So the answer will be 50. 57.6. Very good. Thank you so much, Emma. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my dear. So we solve this exercise by using distributive property. Of course, you can solve it by using the strategy, the regrouping strategy to multiply the numbers. So let's do number 11. Now number 11. Okay, I will choose let's choose yes yes, Almas, please open your mic and let's multiply number 11. 3 multiply 1.45. Okay, Almas, open your mic.
Yes, teacher, do you hear me?
Yes.
Teacher, do you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Now I want to multiply 3 with 1.45 to find the answer. Of course, this is the answer for number 10. Okay, girls? Now, what about 1.45 multiply 3? Let's do it. Okay, I will draw a line here. Like this. Okay. So, now we will do number 3 with you. 1. Okay, girls, here I want to order the numbers like this vertically. No, I'm sorry, this is 4. And 5. Then multiply with 3. Okay? Yes, Almas. 3 multiply 5. Almas?
50.
Okay, 50.
50, teacher.
Yes, I have to put 5 here and 1 above the 4. Very good. 3 multiply 4.
Not 4.
3 multiply 4.
80.
12 plus 1 equals 13. So I have to put 3 here and 1 above the ones. Now 3 multiply 1.
3.
3 plus 1 equals 4. So
4.
would I have to put the decimal point here? Almas? Look, the decimal point here, I have after it 2 digits. That's mean I have to move the decimal point 2 digits, so it will be between 4 and 3. So the number will be 4.35 hundredths. Thank you, Almas, so much. So the answer for this will be 4.35. Okay, thank you, girls. Okay, you can use a sticky note, Deem, if you want. You can find the answer, write the final answer. If you want to write the strategy, you have to use sticky note or white paper. So number 12 now, let's choose Fatima. Yes, Fatima, please help me to multiply 9 with 8.6. Yes, 9 multiply 8.6. So I will order the numbers 8.6 multiply 9. Yes, Fatima. 9 multiply 6, Fatima.
Equals 54.
54, very good. So I will put 4 here and 5 above the 8.
8.
9 multiply 8.
Equals 72.
9 multiply 8 equals, yes, 72 plus 5.
77.
Very good. What about the decimal point? I want you to tell me where I have to put the decimal point.
Down.
Between which two numbers?
Between 7 and 4.
Between 7 and 4, very good. So that means the number will be
774.
again. The number will be 77.4 tenths. Okay, you have to write the number with decimal. Thank you so much, Fatima. Okay, so okay, girls, now we will do number 13. 0.79 multiply with 6. Okay, girls, so I want to make this exercise. Now let's choose another girl. Yes, Shahad. Okay, Shahad, open your mic and help me to multiply 6 with 9.79. First thing, 6 multiply 9. Girls, first thing, just when one, wait, Shahad. Girls, please stop typing on the chat between each other. Don't talk to each other. Focus on the exercises. Yes, Shahad.
6 multiply 9 equals 54.
54, very good. So I have to put 4 here and 5 above the 10th. Yes, 6 multiply 7.
6 multiply 7
equals 42 plus 5 equals 47. Okay, very good. So I have to write here 47 because the digit after the decimal point is 0. Okay, girls? So I have to write 47 because if you want to continue the multiplication, you will have the same answer. Now, what about the decimal point, Shahad? Where I have to put the decimal point? Look, the decimal point here, I have the 2 digit after the point, right? 2 digit.
Right.
That means I have to move the decimal point 2 digit. So it will be right here. Move it 2 digit. That means this one and this one, it will be right here. So the number will be 4.74 hundredths. Thank you so much, Shahad. Okay, girls, if you finish writing those exercises, type 1 in the chat, please. Okay, thank you. No, now let's move to exercise number 14. Okay, exercise number 14. I want to multiply 9.3 with 4 by using here partial product. I want to use partial product to find this multiplication. Who will help me to find the answer for this by using partial product strategy? Let's choose another girl. Okay, yes, Real. Open your mic. Real. Okay, let's choose yes, Rinad, open your mic, please. Rinad, open your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, my dear, now I want you to help me to multiply. Are you with me, Rinad? Okay, let's try again. Rinad, are you here? I can't find your name. Okay, let's try again. Yes, Yara, could you please open your mic, Yara? 4 multiply, yes, I want to use here partial product. So that's mean I will multiply 4 with the value of each number. What is the value of 3? Here in the 10th digit.
You can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, girls. The value of 3, it will be what? It will be 0.3, right? The value of 3 in the... So I want to multiply it with 4. 4 multiply 3 equals what? Yara?
12.
Very good. What I have to put the decimal point here?
4 multiply 3 equal 12.
Okay, I think Yara or Real is here. So I have to put the decimal point right here.
Teacher?
Between 1 and 2. Right?
Yara.
Yes. So it will be 1.2, right? Now, what about the 9? Yes, 1.2 tenth. This is the answer for this multiplication. What about 9 multiply 4? Now I will multiply 9 with 4. 9 multiply 4 equals what?
9 multiply 4.
Yes. Equals. Quickly, please. 30.
36.
Very good. The answer is 36. I have to order the answer here. Girls, you have to be here to be sure that you order the answer correctly. That's mean the ones under the ones and the tens here. Okay? Then I have to add the answers according to the partial product. There is no decimal here point, so I will put decimal point, so the digit after it will be 0. Then I will add the answers. 2 plus 0 equals
2 plus 0 equal 2.
I will take the decimal point, put it here. 1 plus 6 equals
7.
Very good. And the 3 will be right here. So, yes, the answer will be what? Will be 37.2.
37.
Point.
Point
2 tenth. Thank you so much, Yara. Let's continue now with 15. Now I will choose Ghuzlan. Yes, Ghuzlan, open your mic and let's multiply number 15 with you. 0.81 multiply 7. Yes, let's start. 7 multiply 1.
7 multiply 1, it's 1.
7. 7 multiply 8.
7 8, it's
56. I have to put 56, not 50. What about the decimal point? Where I have to put it?
Decimal point in
Look, I have 2 digits after the
6
decimal
and,
point.
between 6 and 5.
Very good. So it will be here after 2 digits. Thank you so much, Ghazlan. Girls, I think someone of you have a problem with a multiplication table. So please, I want you to memorize multiplication table because you will use it. Okay? Now 2.08. So girls, I will do this exercise because we don't have a time. Okay, Aryaf, you didn't answer, so I want you to give me quick answers. Where is your name? I can't find your name. Okay, please quickly. 6 multiply 8.
6 48.
48. Very good. So I will put 8 here and 4 above the 0. Now 6 multiply 0.
6 is 0.
Plus 4.
4.
Very good. 6 multiply 2.
6 multiply 2. 12.
Okay, very good. Now what I have to put the decimal point?
Beside the 4.
Beside the 4, you mean between 4 and 8 or 4 and 2?
4 and 2.
Excellent, Arya. Very good. Thank you so much. Now the last one I will do it, girls. Now 23.66 hundredths. I will do it quickly. Multiply 5 because we don't have time. Sorry. 5 multiply 6 equals 30. So I will put 0 here and 3 above the 10th. 5 multiply 6 equals 30. Plus 3 equals 33. So I put 3 here and 3 above the ones. 5 multiply 3 equals 15. Plus 3 equals 18. I will put 8 here and 1 above the tens. 5 multiply 2 equals 10 plus 1 equals 11. So I will put 11 here. What about the decimal point? I have here 2 digits after the decimal point. That means I have to move the decimal point 2 digits. So it was here, so it will be right here between 3 and 8. So the number will be 118.30 or 118.3 tenths. The same answer. Okay, girls? So this is our lesson today. I hope you understand it. Don't forget to do the homework.